how to find HCF using answer options. But before that one, concepts. Please write down concepts. First one, HCF of even numbers is always an even number. HCF of even numbers is always an even number. Next one, HCF of 15 comma 25, which is 5 here. Listen carefully this example. If this number is divisible by 5, if this number is divisible by 5, answer should be divisible by 5. Answer should be divisible by 5. I hope it is clear. Now I think previous question, one student asked a doubt. Any relevant doubts we have to take. 1365, 1560, 1755, 1755. There is a doubt from Srikanth. Right? Srikanth says, sir, why did you not consider 91 and 272? Now 91 and 272. 91 is, now why I did not consider, first I will tell that question. 1365, because if any doubt is good, we should discuss that one. 455s are 13, 3s are 39, 65, 5 7s are 1365 is 3 into 13 into 5 into 7. Now this is for you, Srikanth. If you see why I did not took 91. 91 is derived from 7 and 13. If I take 91, this number should be divisible by 7. 7 2s are 14, 16. 16 is not divisible by 7. If it is not divisible by 7, how can it be divisible by 91? I hope it is clear. Next one, what is the another logic that we have got? It is 273 beta, not 272. 273. 276 are 1620, but I am getting 0 at the end. So 273, there cannot be any multiple, right, which will give you 1560. That is the reason 91 and 273 are eliminated. I hope, Srikanth, you got a doubt. Now, listen carefully. Now, let us go back. Please don't tell the answers in the live chat. I am not interested in your answers. I am only interested in your good doubts. If I think that doubt is good, I will discuss it in the class. Now, concepts. I hope, Srikanth, it is clear to you. Concept. HCF of, I was discussing this. 15 comma 25 is 5. 15 comma 25 is 5. Now see here. Diksha, I will come to you, right? Please hold, let me complete this concept. 15, 25 is 5. If this is divisible by 5, if this is divisible by 5, if this is divisible by 5, answer should also be divisible by 5. Answer should also be divisible by 5. Another way, HCF of a comma 20 equivalent to 60. If this is divisible by 4 and this is divisible by 4, a should be divisible by 4. Please write down this point. A should be divisible by 4. A should be divisible by 4. Right? A should be divisible by 4. HCF of 15 comma 25 is 5. Right? This is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. answer should be divisible by 5. If two given inputs are divisible by some number, answer should also be divisible by some number. Or if answer is divisible by some number, one number is divisible by some number, another number should also be divisible by the same number. I hope this concept is clear. HCF of even numbers is an even number. HCF of even numbers is an even number. Right? Diksha and Srikanth, I will come to you. I am reading all your live charts. If I think that I need to discuss, I will definitely discuss. You are listening to the class for the first time. Right? I have learnt mathematics through clearing doubts. Now, why am I explaining this one? Let us solve with this concept, this one. Listen carefully, sir. It is not these problems. You should know how to use this logic. Find the HCF of 420, 1782. Listen carefully. 420 is an even number. 1782 is an even number. If two numbers are even number, answer should be an even number. Answer should be an even number. 7 is cancelled. First way, HCF of two even numbers is an even number. Next one, HCF of 420, 1782. 1782. Listen carefully. 420, if it is this is divisible by 4, because last two digits is divisible by 4. If this is divisible by 4, if I assume answer as first option 4, if the output and one number is divisible by 4, another number should also be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. That means my assumption is incorrect. Again I am explaining. 420 and 4. 420 last two digits is 20. It is divisible by 4. If I assume the first answer as right, 4 is divisible by 4. 420 is divisible by 4. The other number should also be divisible by 4. 82 is not divisible by 4. So therefore, first option is incorrect. If first option is incorrect, last option also will be incorrect. If a number is not divisible by 4, how can it be divisible by 8? Option is C. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. Answer for this question is 6. First question, I hope it is clear. Listen carefully to every statement which I am saying it in my class. First, it is clear. Some smart approaches to solve these questions. HCF of 210, 495, 980. Listen, go by the answer options. This is divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 0. This is divisible by 10 because the unit digit is 0. If I take the first option is 10. That is also divisible by 10. 495 should be divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. 10 is incorrect. Because of this example, 20, 30, 60. 20, 30, 60, it is 10. If this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, this is divisible by 10, 60 should also be divisible by 10. If I take 10, 210 is divisible by 10, 980 is divisible by 10, 495 is not divisible by 10. If 10 is out, 20 is also out. If a number is not divisible by 10, how can it be divisible by 20? Now we will see 15. 15 is 5 into 3. That means if the answer is 15, that means it is divisible by 3. All the three options should be divisible by 3. 980. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So 15 is out. Second one answer is 5. Second one answer is 5. Do not write any answers in the live chat. Do not write anything in the live chat other than your doubt. Only these two things should be there. You ask a doubt. If I ask you to understand whether it is clear or not, whether it is clear, not clear, or the doubt. Only these two things should be there in the live chat. Now, again I am explaining. 210 is divisible by 10. 980 is divisible by 10. If the first option is divisible by 10, the element in the set should also be divisible by 10. 495 is not divisible by 10. 10 is out. If 10 is out, automatically 20 will be out. 15 is 5 into 3. 5 I am not doing because all are divisible by 5. Because all are divisible by 5. 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. For 980 is not divisible by 3. Right? So, 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. Right? All the other numbers are divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is divisible by 3. 495. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Option C. Option C. Find the HCF of 1680, 3600. Directly by looking at it, we can say the answer. If this is divisible by 100, divisible by 100 is last two digits are 0, 0. If this is divisible by 100, option C is divisible by 100. 1680 is not divisible by 100. So option C is incorrect. Option C is incorrect. Option A is incorrect. Why? Because 3600, it is divisible by 9. Why it is divisible by 9? Sum of the digit C is divisible by 9. Sum of the digit C is divisible by 9. 180 digital sum is 9. But 1680, what is the digital sum? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 digital sum is not 9. Option A and option C are ruled out. 140 is 7 into 20. Option D is divisible by 7. 1680 is divisible by 7. 3600 is not divisible by 7. 140 is ruled out. So answer for this question is option B. Answer for this question is option B. I hope it is clear, right? Sai Dharani, the way you are thinking is right, but you have not opened the next door. What did you say? You are saying that this is divisible by 3, divisible by 3. So answer should contain 3, right? This is an even number, this is an even number. HCF of two even numbers means answer should contain 2. What is 3 2s are 6. You only did till 3 and thinking that the answer is 3. Next one. Option D. HCF of 750, 6,300 and 18,900. What I will do is, I want a very simplified calculation. So I will delete 1 0 in all the question and answer. Everywhere I will delete. Just by looking at a question I can say 630 digital sum is 9. Here also digital sum is 9. If the option is B, option B digital sum is 9. 750 digital sum is not 9. Out. 180 is eliminated. 170 is 17 into 10. 750 is not divisible by 17. Right? 750 is not divisible by 17. These out. Next one. 210 is 7 into 30. This is divisible by 7. This is divisible by 7. 750 is not divisible by 7. 210 is out. Answer is 150. Answer is 150. I hope it is clear. Right? Again I am repeating. 750, 6,300, 18,100. 18,100. I removed all 0, 0, 0 at the beginning, right at the end. If I look at option B, 180. 180 digital sum is 9. 6,300 digital sum is 9. 18,900 digital sum is 9. 750 digital sum is not 9. 180 is out. 170 is 17 into 10. 750 or 75 is not a multiple of 17. 170 is out. 180 is out. 170 is out. 210 is 7 into 30. 750 is not divisible by 7. So answer for this question is 150. Right? Money I have already discussed. HCF, one entire session I took the HCF of various numbers. I cannot repeat it. Please go back to and watch the video which is there from our YouTube channel, ANIL NAIR classes. Right? Prasad says, if I eliminate 0 from 1680 and 3600, we will get 168 and 360, which is divisible by both the factors of 18. You made a mistake, Prasad. Mistake is the divisibility rule of composite number is write the number as a product of two coprimes. That is the divisibility rule of a composite number. For example, 12 divisibility rule is not 2 into 6 but 3 into 4, because 3 and 4 are coprime to each other. This theorem we call it as Chinese remainder theorem. So according to you, if it is 18 cannot be written it as 3 and 6 because they are not coprime. You should use the divisibility rule of 2 and 9. I hope you have understood the mistake which you did it. Composite number divisibility rule is a product of two coprime numbers. It is a product of two coprime numbers. All the four options. Is it clear to you? Question is A1 plus, A2 plus, A3 plus, A4 plus, A5 equivalent to 210. Find the minimum LCM of A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Minimum LCM. What are A1 to A5? Are natural numbers. 1 minute time. Please say your answer. I would like to see who will think logically and tell this answer. Answer for this question. Please tell this answer. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. It is 210. 210. Minimum LCM. What do you mean by divided by 7? Answer. It is okay to give a wrong answer. I will guide you if you are thinking in the wrong direction. But it is not okay to sit idle. Once you start listening to my YouTube live classes, once you have listened to one session, you will not feel like watching any other aptitude live classes. Most of them in YouTube live classes who are young, who has not even authored a book, who just are teaching in some coaching centers, if you twist the question, they will not be able to solve. And I can say it as confidence with 15 years experience, right? Most of them, what they do is, they take a book, solve the questions, prepare a PPT and project it as if they are the gods. A1, A2, A3, A4. Good, I got so many answers. Somebody said 42. Somebody is saying 5. Somebody is saying, right, I think, 1 minute, sir. I will change this one. Now tell me the answer. Now tell me. A4. There are no 5 numbers, there are only 4 numbers. Otherwise, I am thinking how come directly you got 42. Let me twist the question. A1, A2, A3, A4. Only 4 numbers are there. Only 4 numbers are there. Only 4 numbers are there. 4 numbers are there. I hope each and every student who is watching my live class, tomorrow there is a biggest surprise only to the students who downloaded our app. Students who downloaded our app. Students who downloaded our app, ANC app. Tomorrow you will get an SMS. Something, a very, very good surprise to you. Something which you have been waiting for it. The students who downloaded our app, they will get an SMS tomorrow. Tomorrow that suspense will be revealed. Tomorrow the suspense will be revealed. Kindly download our app and wait for the suspense. Wait for the suspense. Write it like this, Prashant, I appreciate it. Instead of just writing it, that means you are thinking. Very good. Now, kindly go to Google Play Store, download our type ANIL NAIR classes. Type ANIL NAIR classes, download the app. The students who downloaded the app will get an SMS tomorrow. All the students who downloaded the app. Tomorrow, am I right? Tomorrow is April 5th. Yes. Tomorrow there is a surprise for you. Now we will solve this question. Once we understand this question, this is easy. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 equivalent to 210. Most of you are thinking, right? 210 is nothing but 2 into 105. 105 is 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Question is, I want minimum LCM. Minimum LCM I require. A1, A2, A3, A4. Minimum LCM I require. To get the minimum LCM, there are 2 cases. All the 4 numbers can be equal. All the 4 numbers can be equal. But 210 divided by 4. 210 is not divisible by 4. So, first case, all the 4 numbers equal is not possible. Second case, all the 3 numbers are equal. All the 3 numbers are equal. And the 4th number should be a multiple of the other number. 3 numbers. Am I right? This is the logic. To get the LCM, to get the minimum LCM, first thing is all the 4 numbers should be equal. That's exactly when it is A5. Most of you said 42, which is right if one more natural number is given. If 4 numbers are not equal, 3 numbers should be equal and 4th number should be a multiple of all the 3 numbers. So we will use this logic. We will use this logic. We will use this logic to do it. 4 numbers. What is the logic? Logic is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 210. Minimum LCM. First thing, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30. 3 numbers should be equal. 210 divided by 3 is 70. Multiple of 30 closer to 70. 60, 60, 60, 30. One case. 7 5s are 35. 35. Multiple of 35. 35, 35, 35. 105. Next is 105. 105 plus 105 is 210. Next is 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 42, 42, 42, and next is 42 5s are. So all the multiples, 7 5s are 35, 35 I got 3 numbers equal. 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 42, 3 numbers are equal. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Multiple of 30 closer to 4 numbers equal. So 30 remaining all are 60. Minimum LCM is 60. Minimum LCM is 60. I hope the idea is clear. What is the logic in this question? 3 numbers are equal. 3 numbers are equal. 3 numbers are equal. 84 is a multiple of 42. 105 is a multiple of 35. 60 is a multiple of 30. 60 is a multiple of 30. Again I am explaining. 4 numbers, minimum LCM. LCM will be minimum. LCM will be minimum when all the 4 numbers are equal. All the 4 numbers are equal.